Jollibee tayo. So, ayun. Malapit na ako dito sa Jollibee Buendia. Nandito yung driver na susundo sa atin. So, ang muna natin pupuntahan ngayon ay sa San Simon, Pampanga. So, yun. Kita-kits, guys.
The next day.
What's up? Katapos ko lang magtaning. Ito, breakfast muna kami. 2 pieces na pancake. Tapos, wait, pakita ko sa inyo. May butter. Tsaka syrup. Yan, sama natin si Coach.
Yo!
Let's go. Tsaka ano pa yan, Coach? Ito pa. Meron din tayong burger. Yan ang breakfast natin ngayong araw. So 8 AM, orientation ng tawag doon? Ng WFF, Mr. and Miss Philippines. So kaya lang kami breakfast, then magre-ready lang kami. Kita-kits. Let's go, Coach!
Let's go!
Physic check. Bago umalis. A. Let's go. Let's go, Coach. So, ayan. Nakapag-book na kami ng Grab. Ayan. Sama natin si Coach Black. Tingnan sa baba na yung sundo namin. Let's go. Let's go. Ayun, yung green na Vios. Kuya, thank you. Ito na yung sundo namin. Green na Toyota Vios. Ito ba yan? Kuya, good morning. Sa Chu Theater po. Teka lang po Teka lang po yung kasama ko. Let's go, Coach! So yan, nakapili na tayo dito sa registration. Let's go. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga athletes. Let's go. Let's go, kuya. Tagasaan ka pa, kuya? Wait. Tagasaan ka, kuya?
Team Laguna po.
Team Laguna. Let's go.
Good luck, good luck.
So yan, mamaya. Sabi mo kanina, Coach?
Mga champion nandito. So, nakaka-excite. Nandiyan ang champion ng Tuguegarao, champion ng Nueva Ecija, tapos champion ng Dait, mga representative ng mga taga Bicol. Mamimit sila doon, guys.
So magandang laban mamaya. Battle of the Champions. Tsaka mga Gundam.
Nagugulat kayo, makaka-surprise mapanood sila.
Yun na. Let's go. Go.
May lunch break.
Team Lipa. Kulang na lang ng isa. Wala dito si Engineer Paul. Yan, sama natin si Coach Ernie
Okay, please supportan natin.
from Next Fitness Gym.
Okay. Kami po ay magiging representative ng Lipa, Batangas. Okay, si Coach Ernie. Coach Ernie. And
GG lang, suportahan nyo lahat ng gym sa Lipa.
yes. Next Fitness Gym. Okay. And Fit Hub. See you there.
In a sea of endless faces, but my mind's in different places. I just wanna be with you. You make me tremble. You make me tremble.
I can feel it in my bones. I can feel it in my hands. I can feel it in my chest. We're the ones who understand.
You could see it in our eyes. You sit right next to my soul. When you're standing next to me, then my heart is in control. I could feel it in my bones. I could feel it in my hands. I could feel it in my chest. We're the ones who understand. In a sea of endless faces, my mind's in different places. I could only see you. You make me tremble. You make me tremble.
So much athletes, exit the stage. Congratulations for a job well done. Thank you so much. And now,
What's up? Apex Culture. Coach X, Coach Black. Let's go. Awarding na sunod.
mono short category goes to Marcos Wayne Akar.
Waiting for the final gates to open.
we look forward to seeing everyone there. You still have one whole week, a month, to prepare for that.
Kailangan i-hold mo yung position mo. Ha? May opportunity ka to compete in Singapore. Okay?
Okay, victory pose again. Victory.
So yun, what's up guys? Nakuha natin ang denim overall. Siyempre, thanks to coach.
Okay. Siyempre, maraming salamat, Marcos, no? May isa pa kaming competition. Okay, so hopefully makuha natin si Coach Alex. Okay, so siyempre ito, pinopromote natin for fitness wellness. So abangan nyo yung isa pang competition ni Marcos. Okay?
Tignan natin.
Yun, no? Manalo!
Thank you, Lord.
Come and fly away with me. 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 Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 Somewhere by the Emerald Sea, where the moon and water meet. Somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep. Something's gonna bring the change, journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 Come and fly away, come and fly away, come and fly away with me. Come and fly away, come and fly away, come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
Angelo Jose Tyson Subaldo.
Let's go! Let's go! Nati, team Nati. Let's go! Congrats! So, yun guys, nanalo si coach. Anong award mga coach? Third runner-up? Kala ko second. Second runner-up ka. Yan, second runner-up siya sa natural doll. Tapos may dalawa pa siyang category. Anong category mo, coach?
height category, kalaro tayo sa over 30 years old. So, merong short, tsaka tall, mag-mix kami doon.
Okay.
So, subaybayan nyo kami. Medyo maganda yung laban kasi ang ganda ng laban talaga ng tao. Enjoy natin yung competition. Let's cheer natin yung mga ibang mga athletes na sumali.
Yun na.
Okay?
Positive community only. At ito nga pala yung carb up ni Coach.
Guys, kain tayo, salmon.
Salmon na may cheese,
Okay,
tapos rice.
Okay.
Tsaka may fructose nga ito, no?
So, kuha nga pang guys. Fruits.
Fruits. Ano to? Orange?
Orange.
Orange. Sarap niyan. Para hindi ma-dehydrate. Alright. Kita-kits. Alright.
Here we go.
And that's it for today.
Yan na. Balik pa.
Maganda standing ng Fit Hub ngayon.
Yes.
Naka 2 medal si Coach. Sa isa.
5th tayo. 4th runner-up tayo sa bodybuilding newcomers. Okay?
Tsaka, ano pa ang isa mo?
Tapos ang isa sa atin is 2nd runner-up tayo ng men's physique national.
Alright.
Alright.
Let's go. Kain muna tayo. Dito ang Apex Culture. Kain muna tayo sa Kenny Rogers. Di pa? Sa lipad na tayo ngayon. Gutom na kami. Diyan muna kayo. May sagat pa. Oh, let's eat. Boss. 2 chicken. Yan, so na kami. Dito nagtatapos yung vlog. Peace.